In today's video, I'll show you how to use the side rotating reveal animation, which rotates your video into view from the side at the beginning. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Since this is an opening animation, it should be applied right at the start of the clip. Now, tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Next, switch to the In tab. The In tab controls how your video enters the screen, which is exactly where this rotating reveal is applied. Scroll through the list of animations and look for side rotating reveal. When you apply it, you'll notice the clip smoothly rotating into the frame from the side, creating a clean and modern introduction. To control how fast or slow the rotation happens, use the duration slider. Dragging it to the left makes the rotation faster and more energetic. Dragging it to the right slows it down, giving the reveal a smoother and more cinematic feel. Preview the animation a few times and adjust the duration until the movement feels natural with your footage. And that's it. You've successfully added a side rotating reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.